Izzy, we go to the shop?
Yeah.
And then after, what are we doing? Should we go for a bike ride?
Yay! Yay! Is that a good idea? And more? Wow!
Yay!
There we go.
Why are you licking the biscuit? You're a funny girl.
Yum, yum.
You going on a bike ride?
Yeah.
You can go to little parks and
Yeah.
maybe see some duckies.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I see boots.
And boats.
Yeah.
Maybe. If we go to the canal, we'll see boats. Let's go.
Here you go.
Whoa. Do you get off? Okay. You gotta go on the other one. You have to be careful because she's got no back. Hold on. Whoa. Whoa. You can go down the slide. Oh, what is that?
It's not work.
It's not working. Oh. Down slide. Down slide. Go on. Ready. Come on, Iz. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Looking for some more parks.
Yeah. I see ducks. I see boats. I see ducks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We stop for a drink. We stop for a drink.
Cheers.
Yes. Oh, it's a big one then.
That's a goose. You got ducks, goose, and swans.
Teeny one.
Geese. That's a baby swan. Look. That one's a baby swan.
Yeah. And baby one, baby one, baby one, baby
They're all
one.
coming because they think we have food. But we don't have food, do we? Sorry, ducks, we don't have food for you. Izzy, so close to home, and you're falling asleep. Isabel.
He's done. Look at food.
He's looking for food.
Yeah.
Look, it's an even smaller one. It's a baby one. Look, it's a big one. Smaller one. Smaller one. Look, another one over there. Another one.
That's one.
Oh my goodness.
One.
There's 4 worms.
One.
1 big one, 2 little one, 3 bigger one, 4 little one. Oh my goodness. Look, there's a slug here as well. It's a slug. So many bugs. So many long slimy bugs. Look, this one is fast. Look,
Yeah.
he's quick.
Okay.
He's quick.
Where did
Look, another one here. Where does he come from? And woodlouse, look. You know my hand. Whoa. What did his hand? Whoa. Whoa.
I will do that.
Oh, you're a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Ah, the frog's getting me. Ah! It's really hot. You gotta blow it then, baby. You got cheeky kebab, chips and meat.
Papa Pig.
Peppa Pig. Isabel, it's nearly bedtime. That means pajamas and milk. Ready? Let's get into our pajamas then. Kablamo! Ready for bed.
Yeah,